Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nate over at Bullion RV in stormy Duluth, Minnesota. It's about to downpour, but that's not going to stop me. Got a video for you today on a 2026 Winnebago Thrive 22 MBH. That's right, the Thrives are here, and people are thriving for them. Don't roast me in the comments, but we're going to show you around the outside, get you on the inside. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Might be a little bit faster of a video, so I don't get struck by lightning, but let's move forward. So again, this is a 22 MBH, so stats are going to pop up at the beginning of the screen, so feel free to pause and get a little bit more information. So you'll notice this nice giant privacy tinted window up front here and the nice lights that run up the side. So we're going to move forward a little bit with your power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, and then a spot for the battery. Now, you probably just saw that lightning back there, but the battery disconnect is actually going to be on the outside here. Just wanted to make that known. This does have a slide, and this is a bunkhouse, so just doing a side view of the Thrive here. Showing off some of the sweet storage here. Lots of room for those lawn chairs. Moving on down. Thrive. So wastewater holding tank, sewage holding tank down here. We'll get a look at the back here, so you'll have your, I believe that's 30 amp service on this one. Yes, 30 amp service, satellite hookup, outdoor shower, and then our furnace is gonna be back here, or hot water heater is gonna be back here. Ladder to get up on your roof, along with that backup camera to make parking this a lot easier. Coming on down, we got a hitch from the factory, which maximum load capacity is 350 pounds. Getting a look at the other side of it here. So the nice part about this is actually you have power jacks, extend and retract, so makes setting this up a lot easier. You got your small little beer fridge with a little bit of an additional storage down below with your GFCI outlet in there. Now your furnace is on this side. Cable hookups are going to be right here, and everything is done in this white finish color, so it blends in very seamlessly. JBL sound system on the bottom. You're used to seeing them all the way up here, but they are on the bottom. So nice new step for the Thrives here, but coming on in. So something that's a lot different. So you'll have that nice tan and white color. So this feels luxury. This feels like a cabin to me. And I really like the setup of these. I think these are gonna do very well here at Bullion RV. So kind of starting over from the back over here. So this bed just folds up out of the way. As you can hear that mattress go flying. It is a Murphy bed setup, but you know what? I actually don't mind that because I can kick back and watch my TCL TV. But you'll have, I should have went over the storage first, but hey, you know what? Why not? So assisted bed, which is really nice, but the mattress just folds right up above. We'll get a view of some of the storage here. All of these drawers are going to run the full length there, so I won't open up every single drawer. These are soft close drawers. And actually, we'll go to this side here. We'll pull out shelf here too. Oops, don't mind me. And you got some more space down below. And then inside too, which I didn't go over, but you can kind of see your GFI outlets there and your device charging outlets. Those are gonna be on both sides for his and her device charging. You have a nice large dinette here for the family with some additional pull-out storage there. Maybe some shoes, stuff like that. Again, running the full length of the shelf here, Winnebago owner's manual. Once again, soft closed drawers, make it super nice. Flip it on around into the kitchen area. So you'll have your air conditioner up above my head, a decent amount of counter space here. So you got a lot more to work with. Nice large stainless steel sink. 2 garbage cans. Well, that one doesn't want to open right now, but that will be dealt with. But your silverware holder is going to be in there. We'll get a look at the oven. And there's our battery, or not battery, but our lead acid detector. 3-burner gas cooktop. Getting a look at the microwave. I think we already got a shot of it, but nice TCL TV. You got the speakers, the JBL speakers on the inside. So folks might think that this is a lot smaller of a unit. There's the rain, we beat it in time. Folks might think this is a lot smaller of a unit, but with that slide really opening up the room and you want something different, this is definitely that type of camper because I feel like I'm at a friend's house. I don't feel like I'm in a camper. So we got some more Drawer City storage. And then just kind of getting a look at the bunks. So do not exceed 250 pounds, but a lot of room on the bunks, some light coming through as well. And then you have a little bit of storage down below. Fridge and freezer. And then we'll just get a look at the bathroom. So it's actually a pretty large bathroom for, for what it is. Nice large shower with the skylight. So I'm 6'1", I still got plenty of headroom up above. So again, people might think that this is a smaller camper. Yes, it is, but when you step inside this, you're gonna think this is pretty luxurious and this is pretty big for what it is. So we got some storage there. And you guessed it, a little bit more storage. Porcelain foot flush toilet. And then just doing one final overview of everything here too. Again, this is the brand new Winnebago Thrive we just got. So expect to see a little bit more of these in the future, but I just wanted to get this video out right away. I'm probably gonna be crashing for the rest of the night in here because it is downpouring right now. But like I said, wanted to get this video out for everybody. So again, my name's Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. All of my information is gonna be in the description box down below. Feel free to call me, email me, text me if you wanna see the Winnebago Thrive in person. I'm happy to show you, I'm happy to help answer any questions. Make sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe if you're new. We'll see you in the next one.